Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over My Worship is For Real, recorded by Bishop Larry Trotter. This song is going to be in the key of A flat. So, let me start off with the intro. Okay, so that's how the intro starts. You're going to be playing an F sharp major, add 2. You're going to be playing a D flat, add 2 over F. Then an A flat, add 2 over C. And then a D flat sus2. Then you're going to go to F sharp sus2 to D flat over F to a D flat over E flat, an E flat over C sharp or D flat to A flat over C. Alright, at full speed. And then you're going to play a D flat, and you have the option of playing that E flat chord over D flat. And then the song starts, you're going to play D flat over F to A flat. You don't know my story, all the pain that I've been through. You can feel my pain, what I had to go through to get here. You'll never understand my pain, because my worship is for real. Is for real. Okay, so it starts off with You Don't Know My Story with A flat to B flat minor 7 to A flat over C. What I've been through. I like to play D flat major 7. Then you're going to go to an A flat over E flat, a C over E to F minor to E flat. What I've had to go through. So B flat over D to get here to a D flat minor 6. And then you're going to go A flat over C, D flat, E flat, and go back down to A flat over C, to D flat major 7, then the melody to C minor 7 flat 5, to F7, A diminished, because my worship. B flat minor, minor 9, my worship. And that's an E flat 9 sus4, which is a D flat chord over E flat, to E flat over G, to A flat. Then back to that C minor 7 flat 5, was my worship. And you're gonna go play this F sharp diminished 7 to B flat minor 7. And then my worship is for real. Okay, and then you play the verse again. D flat over F, E flat over G. You don't know my story, all the pain that I... Second time, you're gonna go. And you can feel my pain, what I had to go through to get here. Then you're gonna go to a D minor 9, to an F sharp 9 13. And then same chords. And then you're gonna go to this very cool Okay, so let me go through that one more time. So you're going to go back to the beginning. On the second verse, you don't know my story. A flat to B flat minor to A flat over C. Now this lick here. Okay. C, D diminished, C over E to F minor to E flat. But I had to go B flat over D, and then you're gonna go to this cool D flat minor 9 to F sharp 9 13. Then you never. So back to A flat over C. Don't try to figure. So you're going to a C over E, walking down to F over A, is for real, and then you walk up. This is a very unique transition he's going to do here. He's going to walk up. Wait, sorry. Okay, let's try it again. So this is very unique. So he's doing a C, D diminished, E over C over E to F minor. I'm gonna play this, and then it's a D flat, F minor 9 to D diminished, walk up. F major 9 Okay, Then we're going to go to the vamp at the end. I've been through too much. F sharp, flat 7 to the 4, not to the 1. I've been through too much, not to worship him. Okay. And then you're going to go to what I call the thank you vamp. So you're going to go to A flat over F sharp. See this in a lot of songs. D flat over F. D flat minor over E. To A flat over E flat. You're so worthy. You're so worthy. My worship is for Lord, I love you. Lord, I love you. And I like to go up in versions. Worship is for real. And then you're going to go to my worship is for real. So that walk up, you're going to go E flat over G to A flat, B flat minor, A flat over C, and then back to the beginning of the vamp with A flat over F sharp, D flat over F, and the rest of the song just plays out with this vamp. My worship is for real. Alright guys, that was My Worship is for Real. Thank you guys so much for all the support and comments. Hey, if there's any songs that you guys want, please leave a comment or super chat down there. I have a list of many songs I'm going to get to. So if you haven't seen your song yet, don't be disappointed. It's still up on my to-do list. Alright, until next time guys, take care.